Here's how to remove your TikTok account from another device. You might have signed into your TikTok account on a different device and now you want to log out remotely. Here's how to check which devices are logged into your account and remove them. So, first, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Log into your account and then tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Security and Permissions, that is under Account section between Privacy and Share Profile. Here in this page, you'll get the option of your devices, that is between Security Checkup and two-step verification. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll get the list of the devices where your TikTok account is logged in. If you want to simply go ahead and log out of that specific account, tap on the bin icon next to it, then tap on Remove to confirm, and you'll be done. Repeat these steps for any other devices you want to remove. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.